Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious collard greens with smoked turkey. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. You'll want to thoroughly clean about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens. After washing, carefully remove any tough stems and then chop the leaves into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. This initial preparation is crucial for a tender and flavorful dish. Next, we'll prepare the smoked turkey, which adds incredible depth to our greens. Take about 1 pound of smoked turkey and dice it into small, bite-sized pieces. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced turkey and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's lightly browned and its rich, smoky flavor begins to develop. Now it's time to combine our main ingredients. Add all of your chopped collard greens directly into the pot with the sautéed smoked turkey. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This vinegar adds a lovely tang. Finally, season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. To finish, bring the entire mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer gently for 1 to 2 hours. This slow cooking process allows the greens to become incredibly tender and all the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir occasionally. Once done, taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference before serving your delicious collard greens warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.